Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by opening Blinkit and signing in. Use your phone number or Google for speed. Once done, grant location access so results match your neighborhood and enter a precise delivery address with house number and landmark. Now tap the search bar or browse categories to find staples. You can scan barcodes to avoid scrolling. Add items to your cart. Prioritize perishables first, so checkout stays fast. This gets your order into the pipeline immediately, reducing selection friction and delivery delay. Once items are in your cart, inspect quantities and pack sizes because one wrong size changes cost and space. Then compare combo deals or multi-buy offers to save money. Apply them before checkout. Next, decide delivery timing, ASAP for quick needs or a scheduled slot for planned deliveries. Make sure your cart meets any minimum order to avoid extra fees. Finally, add or confirm payment, UPI, card, or wallet, and enter promo codes now so your discount appears on the final total. You confirm delivery details and tap place order, double-check address, contact number, and any access instructions so the rider finds you quickly. Once placed, follow the live tracker to know when to be ready. Message the rider for clarifications. If an item is missing or incorrect, use in-app chat immediately to request a refund or replacement. Cancellations work only in the allowed window, so act fast. Key troubleshooting tip: if tracking stalls, close and reopen the app, then contact support with your order ID.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.